In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize mobile performance in Wix Studio. If your site looks great on desktop but feels sluggish on a phone, this quick technique can make a big difference without rebuilding your design. The idea is simple. In Wix Studio, you can hide specific elements only on the mobile view, reducing visual load, smoothing scrolling, and helping pages feel more responsive on smaller devices. First, open your project in Wix Studio and switch to the mobile view by clicking the mobile breakpoint at the top of the editor. You'll see the canvas adapt to a narrow layout that reflects how your site appears on a phone. This doesn't change your desktop design. It simply focuses the editor on mobile so you can make targeted adjustments with confidence. Next, identify an element that may be causing lag. Common culprits include large image galleries, looping background videos, complex animation sequences, heavy effects like parallax or third-party widgets. On mobile, these elements can demand more processing power and data than you want. Click to select the element you suspect is slowing things down. When selected, it will be outlined, confirming you're targeting the right piece of content. Now, right-click the selected element and choose Hide. The element will disappear from the mobile canvas, signaling that it's hidden for this breakpoint. You haven't deleted anything. Wix Studio simply suppresses the element on mobile while keeping it intact for other views. This approach helps you preserve your design vision on desktop and tablet, while delivering a leaner, faster experience on phones. Here's the key benefit. The element you hid is only hidden on the mobile breakpoint. It remains available on desktop and any other breakpoints so you don't lose your work or need to recreate it later. This selective visibility is ideal for content that looks beautiful on larger screens, but doesn't translate well to smaller ones or lower power devices. By trimming just the heaviest pieces on mobile, pages typically load faster, interactions become smoother, and visitors can navigate without stutter or delay. Keep your most important information and calls to action front and center, and let non-essential visual flourishes shine on desktop where they have space and resources. And that's all there is to it. Switch to the mobile breakpoint, select the element that's weighing things down, and hide it for mobile only. It's a quick, reversible optimization that keeps your design intact while making your site more enjoyable to use on phones. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Wix Studio.